Welcome to Garment Pro ERP system. Today I will show you a tutorial about how to set up an accounting period. An accounting period is needed to be well defined before starting account entries and used for generating relative reports. Okay, let's start. Sign in into the system, and then click the top right menu icon to open the menu page. On the menu page, click the block named Financial, and then click the block Period setting to go to the Setup interface. It is very simple to set up. Click here to select the month and year of the first financial year. And then click the Save button to save the setting. Once update, the setup is not changeable. And the system will create 36 active periods for use. And each record shows the period's number, start date, end date and status. If month entries are completed input and want to close the month, you can directly click the Close Month button to close the period. Also, the system supports multiple period close. You don't need close one by one. Simple like this. When I click the close period with active periods on before, the system will close them together. If I close the last month of financial year, for example, click to close the 12th period, a year close button will appear to let you close this financial year. The year close button is appear. Let's click it to close the financial year. The system will close the balance of expenses and revenue accounts, and create a profit and loss account to receive the year's earns or losses. Okay, this financial year is closed. Let's go to Accounting Activities Report to check the closing activities. On the menu page, click the block named Financial, and then click the block Account Activities to go to the report interface. Select the date option to the next year. And then, click the Search button to search the activities. You can see the system has generated 10 entries to close the financial year. The first 9 entries record is closing the balance of expenses and revenues. And transfer to the last entries record, annual profit and loss. That is the end of tutorial. Thank you for your watching.